Is the mic actually plugged in?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Silence on set,
Want me to
please.
crunch mine?
Thank you. Isn't an easy job. It isn't. Eddie, you can put your music back on now. What do you love about working at the Woody?
Done.